Dito sa title, derivations ang aton ng mga radius of gyration in relative to polar ng mga properties. Ara man ni kay NSCP. Ara na kay NSCP na natin. May pagpunta din. We will have H. Okay, ang H natin is the fractional constant having this equation nga ara man kay NSCP. So for our T-shape, di ba may equation ng ina? We have XO kag YO. And I think pag ulit siya, di ba? Si XO kag si YO. So si XO and YO natin class are coordinates of the shear center with respect to the centroids ang aton na member. Okay, kopya ko na ng class kay NSCP. Direkta. For our T-shape at Y flange. So this is our geometric centroid, or the center sa cross-section natin. And this is the location ng aton na shear center. For double angle, muning aton na major axis, principal axis natin, that is the centroidal or the geometric centroid natin, and that is the shear center. So ano si XO at si YO? So si Y bar O natin, this is the distance, the vertical distance ang aton na shear center, and si XO is the horizontal distance. So for this shape, ilang value ni Y bar sub O? 0. Kaya lie sila on the same na y-axis. Okay? So x bar sub O is 0. Likewise, this is your y bar sub O. Ang imong x bar sub O is equal to 0. For other cases sa that, lain naman siya. Meaning, kung imong shape is not T-shape or double angle, let's say C-channel or single angle, okay, we will apply this equation. So for singly symmetric members with y-axis as axis of symmetry. Paano na siya? With y-axis as axis of symmetry. C-channel. This is your principal axis. This is your x. This is your y. Ito diba, mga asulat ng isipin ng y-axis as axis of symmetry. So for our C-channel, anong atom na axis of symmetry? Ang x-axis. Sakto? This is yung y-axis. So we can apply that for our C-channel. But this is our general equation. Okay, kaya nga take note si FEY, this is not in reference to the critical buckling natin about the y-axis or the elastic na buckling about the y-axis. Sa liwat para klaro. Diba si mga baka mo FEY, that is the flexural buckling about the y-axis. Pag inambal ni code, that is about the axis of symmetry. So, if amunin aton nga cross-section sa member, anong i-treat natin na FEY din? So, atong FEY is the FEX. Kaya nga kaya ang aton na axis of symmetry is the x-axis. Iba simple gamitan ninyo. Kaya di ba may masumat nga FEX? May masumat nga FEY. Kaya nga this is directly correlated sa KL over R na x. And this is directly correlated sa KL over R na y. So for our FEY, na-refer nila, the y-axis is the axis of symmetry. So gamiton tang FEY is not the FEY na halin diri, but rather sa FEX. Okay? We're in ang ating FEY, ang pina-refer ng KY at RY is not about the minor axis. So sulit mo na kita mo, nagsala before, sa biging portion na nila minor axis. Si KY at si RY is the axis about the axis of symmetry. Okay? Same ang dyan ng atong ng fractional constant na ng back-order. Similar sa previous na equation. Okay? But si FE nimo, later on, i-correlate na natin sa value ni FCR. Okay? We were in ang FEZ natin. This is the elastic na buckling stress about the z-axis having this equation. So, may pag-o na din ang constant which is the warping constant natin. Okay, same ang dyan po ng ating radius of or polar radius of gyration having that equation. The CW is the warping constant. So So sa ating class na derive si warping constant. Actually class, ang torsion natin will be divided into two types of torsion. Wala man siya na-discuss sa SMAT, kita man siya kadalong. Kaya diba sa compressive stresses natin, gina-assume natin na uniform si compressive stress. Okay, even though ang imo nga point of application is lapit sa cross-sectional area ni imo nga ginanalyze. But in reality, ang imo nga compressive stress, the nearer you are sa imo nga point of application sa imo nga load, mas dako ang compressive stress. Sakto? So likewise, same na sa atong torsion. May ginatawag na class na St. Venant's principle sa torsion nga uniform ang shearing stress all throughout sa imo nga member. But mas lapit ka kuno sa point of application ng imo nga torsional shearing stress is mas dako or causing non-uniform nga torsional shearing stress. Amo na nga may ara ka effects ng warping at certain locations ng imo nga member kay tungod hindi uniform ang torsion. So we will call that resistance ng imo nga member to warping as our warping constant. Kaya ang ato nga class na GJ, this is applicable for the torsion na uniform. Ang warping constant for the non-uniform torsion. Anong warping? Anong warping tawag? Kung mag-twist na, anong warping? Gabako, no? Sige, diba? Buckling, local buckling, twisting, mga synonymous, di ba mga terms? Ang warping is may mga local kang buckling but caused by torsion. Okay, hindi siya tanan ang nag-twist. May mga class isang torsional buckling, bilog mo yung member nag-twist. But ang warping is may certain portion lang na siya ang nag-warp. Okay? Muna nga ang ating warping constant is not synonymous with our torsional na shearing resistance. But rather, warping constant serves as the measurement sa resistance ng imong member to torsional na warping. Okay? Dalong, no? Dalong. Okay. We have now ang equations ng aton nga torsional buckling stress. Okay? So we have here Kz times L. Okay, so this is the effective length factor sa member naton nga wala siya ga-resist sa twisting or warping. So usually class ang Kz naton, treat na siya as 1. Okay, even though may arak sang imo nga lateral buckling, prone siya po ng bilog mo nga column sa twisting. Okay? Same ang job ng section properties. Effective length along the z-axis. And J is the torsional constant or the polar moment of inertia. Okay, si J, this is a section property of the member to resist uniform torsion. Si warping constant, this is the section property of the member to resist non-uniform torsion. Okay? Sample na rin.